What's up? Today we're going to be rebuilding this shelf. It's pretty simple, just a lot of paint, and I got a few new tools, so just stay tuned, watch this one, and hope you like it. So I'm going to do a panel. It's completely full of those threaded inserts, like literally all the holes are. But I'm going to do it upside down so I can mount stuff and not have to worry about getting in to get a bolt in or anything. And then if I did it in the top, there'd be this space. So if I do it upside down, it'll keep everything flat in there. So that'll be the very top up underneath. So I'm going to pull this in and then we're going to flip it up. I'm gonna actually do columns of bolts and actually organize this instead of just a bunch of randomness everywhere. I'm gonna do bulk kind of case tool storage down there, the bigger stuff that doesn't really have a spot yet. And then I've got these cool little they're like, this is the tool holder part. It's a 3D printed piece. It's got what do they call it, countersunk head, screw, 1/4 inch hole in it. So I'm gonna take these and mount them up here in these whatever, the nut inserts. So I got those, and then I got these this is the battery part of it. This will hold a battery, a charged battery, dead battery, whatever. Well, charged battery. And then I'm probably gonna mount on the side a piece of pegboard and have my chargers and stuff on the sides. That way it's all in one. These battery holders, and I'm not gonna put a link, but if you Amazon search the tool holders, these will probably come up. And as far as I can tell, you can get them for anything: Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Bauer, I think Walmart brand, what is it, Hart, I think you can get theirs. I think you can get the Hercules line, you can get them for that. Border cable, I mean, I would say anything that has a battery, you can probably get it for. Works, you guys have Works tools and stuff. But this shelf was free. The actual shelving unit was free. And the drawers, my brother gave me the drawers. They were gunmetal gray, or not gunmetal gray, but battleship gray. Same thing with the cabinet. There's just that old industrial gray stuff that everybody had. I'm almost positive everybody's grandpa, uncle, dad, somebody had a set of drawers, these sets of drawers, and a shelf extremely similar to this. But this just goes to show what you can do with a little bit of paint. I think I probably spent 30 bucks on the paint, probably $18 or so just on the label holders. And everything else was just, it was just sand it, paint it, and then put it back together. I think this is a pretty easy project most people can tackle. I just kind of prettied them up a little bit, and I think that's kind of going to be the color scheme for the shop: black with blue and some silver tones maybe. But yeah, that's it for this one. I'm going to clean out this corner, hang up some tools. I'll probably post on Instagram once I do all that and get it all buttoned up. That's it for this one. Catch you on the next one. Safe travels, all you travelers out there. God bless, and we'll talk to you later.